Common English questions and answers. How are you? I am fine. How about your work? It's going well. How do you know me? I have seen you in my office. What does your father do? My father is a private employee. What are you doing? I am doing my work. Where are you coming from? I am coming from the college. Do you know me? Yes, I know you. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where were you? I was in Mumbai. How old are you? I am 27 years old. When did you come? I came yesterday. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. What do you want? I want a book. What do you like? I like to read the books. What do you do? I am a student, or you can say I am a teacher, or you can say I work in a bank. Is everything okay? Yes, absolutely fine. How was your day? Not so good, or you can say it was fine. Do you need any help? Yes, please help, or you can say no thanks. How are you feeling now? I'm feeling better, or you can say not so good. What would you like to have? I would like to have tea. What do you do in your free time? I like to sleep. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. When will you come? I will come by tomorrow. Who are you? I am Rahul. When will you go? I will go today. Do you want to go? Yes, I want to go, or you can say no, I don't want to go. Are you upset? Yes, I am upset, or you can say no, I am not upset. How long it will take you to come? I will be there in 10 minutes. Anything else? Nothing else. Why to go? Because I have an important work. Whom to meet? I am here to meet my friend. What are you playing? I am playing chess. Are you Akshay? Yes, I am. Are you busy at the moment? Yes, I am busy, or you can say just a little. Are you free? Yes, I am free, or you can say yes, let's talk. Are you going to do it? Yes, I am going to do it, or you can say maybe. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Can I access your internet? Yes, of course. Can we go there now? Yes, we can go now, or you can say just a minute. Can you call me right now? Just a moment. Can you help me? Sure. Can you say it again? Okay, no problem. Could you repeat it, please? Okay. Do you feel tired? Not really. Do you have any problems? No, I don't have any problem, or you can say let's leave this topic or matter. Do you know where he or she is? He or she is in the office. Do you like your college friends? Yeah, we get on well with each other. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Does it often rain here? Quite often, or you can say not so often. Have you already visited Mumbai? Not yet. Have you ever been to Delhi? Never. How did you get to the college? By bus, by car, or by bike? How do you like traveling? By car. How do you prefer to travel? By air. How far is it from the city? About 5 kilometers. How long did it take you to get there? About an hour. How long did it take you to learn English? Few months. How long does it take to get to college? 30 minutes, or you can say half an hour. How long does it take to get to work? 1 hour, or you can say an hour. How many good friends do you have? Few friends, or you can say not so many. How many hours a day do you learn English? I learn English 2 to 3 hours a day. Are you ill? Yes, I am having fever, or you can say no, I am fine. What's up these days? Nothing special, as usual. What is the problem? There is no problem. Are you married? No, I am not. Or you can say yes, I am married. How about Monday? It's okay. Please like and share this video, support and encourage us. Do subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more videos.